360 too, so you can even
Yeah.
give it like that.
Oh yeah, you got it. So these are a set of 3, and they come home for less than $50. And they take the place of those like plastic pinwheels that people sometimes put in front of their house.
Right.
These are now more permanent, and they spin in both directions, so they're a lot of fun. You get the set of 3. We have the butterflies, the bumblebees, the dragonflies. We also have, of course, the ladybugs, but we also have the hummingbirds.
Yeah, which we sold out of the hummingbird in the big guy.
Yeah.
But we do have a few left in the little guys. So those have that really, I say, tropical colors, like your emerald green and your sapphire blue, like beautiful.
Only 300 remain there. M88007 is your item number for that. $12.50 gets that home. And so you can try that out. Listen, we are busy with this as well, so you want to get this home and try it. If you want the ladybug, there's 400, and that one has a little flower in the front.
Isn't it cute?
I love
in the front
it.
and the back, right? Yeah, they have a little anchoring it, so that's where the mechanism screws in.
Right over here, I want to show you the dragonfly, because they look a little different than the larger ones, right?
Minnie's always so cute,
yeah.
right? Yeah.
Only 400 to go around. Any assembly with this at all?
Literally just put the stake in.
This is it.
That's it.
I think if you have an RV and you go to a campground, you put these out on your campsite. How cute
or
that
tuck
would
them in
be.
some pots just because you don't have a ton of space.
Bumblebee, 500 remain in the bumblebee. How cute is that? And then we also have, there's the butterfly.
Butterfly.
So pretty.
Isn't it
Talk
pretty?
about tropical colors.
Exactly.
That one looks tropical too.
And
Only
butterfly's
800
new
to
this
go
season.
around.
It's our newest critter.
Move this out of the way.
Cute.
Thanks,
All right,
Thank you guys.
M88007 is your item number. Tara Tesher.
Thanks for having me here on a Saturday.
Best. We
Can I
love
come
having
back?
you.